Magna from Layer 2 Show, and we're talking to Alexander from the latest blog. Hello, Alexander.
Hi.
Hi, pleasure talking to you.
It's great to be here.
Thank you. So the latest blog is Crypto News, and Alexander is very knowledgeable about crypto industry, and I would like to hear his views about Ethereum and about Ethereum Layer 2.
I think the important thing, Ethereum is very popular. It's the most popular decentralized application layer in crypto. Now the next goal is how do we reach the next 100 million people, the next 500 million people around the world, and lowering the transaction fees is necessary to, say, take the use case of payments or even video game players right around the world, where crypto gaming is getting popular. So I think it's very important what you're doing, and your DEX is using the ZK rollups to use Ethereum with much less fees, so I think that's important.
Sure. So how do you think Layer 2s compete with other Layer 1s? Like, why would you choose Ethereum Layer 2, any of them, versus competing Layer 1s? Like, I personally don't have anything against Layer 1s. I think it's great. They have provided necessary services in the market, but I still would like to hear your thoughts.
Well, I think it's important that Ethereum is battle tested, right? So there's other projects that may say they're going to do something. They might, one day they might not. But if I'm a new user, a new consumer, or even as an experienced user, I already know what I'm expecting with Ethereum. I'm going to go there, I'm going to get what I'm expecting, right? Similar to, like, you have, also you need to scale, right? So Ethereum is the battle-tested system. You're going to build your activities on something that you know that you're certain. Visa, for example, like, we use fiat, right? If I'm going to use dollars, I'm not worried about, we're not all going to build something on the Federal Reserve, right? The Fed wire system. We don't care about that. We're going to use Visa because it's easier. So at the same time, the fiat, in that world, it's a stable, well-known thing. So just like you use Visa to transact in your dollars, you're going to use similar products to transact in a well-known brand, Ethereum, which people in the crypto world and people that are finding out about crypto, look, you know about Ethereum, you know about Bitcoin, you know about Ethereum. Beyond that, it gets too confusing. So I think it's going to be a lot easier to adopt Ethereum because people already know about it, and that's the entrance point.
Okay, so you spoke a little bit about confusion. Don't you think that if we try to introduce concept of Layer 2 and ZK rollups and optimistic rollups, it will be very confusing for average user in general? So how shall we do that?
I think we're going to get there. I think we're getting closer to the point. If you're using an iPhone, you need to know how to use your finger and maybe enter your password, and it gets pretty easy. So I think this is a step in the right direction. With your DEX, I took a look at it. You could see, look, you plug your wallet in, the fees are less. If the public can understand that, they don't need to be a computer programmer, a Solidity dev. They understand, look, it's easy to use, they can understand. That's all we need. So I think we're moving in that direction. So I'm excited to see what your DEX has, right? What DGate has to offer, and check it out.
Sure. So DGate DEX aims to do decentralized trading fast and cheap, and experience similar to centralized exchanges. So what I think from what you were just saying, really what we need to build interfaces and products that people really don't actually know what is behind, and just educate them about the network itself that supports all these other applications. Is that right?
Yeah, it makes sense. So you don't have to teach somebody about a new coin, a new platform, to teach them about Ethereum. Right? And then here's how you use Ethereum in a cheaper, faster way.
Sure.
I think that's the winning way.
Sure. All right, thanks so much. What next is you? What are you excited about in crypto space or in Ethereum? What's the alpha for you this year?
I'm excited to see. This is strange, but it's the bear market, right? So I see adoption happens way better in the bear market. You can separate who's there for a cash grab with who's really building. The people that are here now are literally people that are here now. Not to throw Terra Luna under the bus, but they're literally not here, right? The people that are here now are the ones building. And the people that are coming through in the bear market, they'll be here in 6 months, they'll be here in 5 years, are the ones when the cash is a little harder to get. So I'm excited to see that you guys are here, you're building, and excited to see how we can bring the next 100 million people into crypto.
Thank you. Let's continue building, and let's continue educating everyone and informing about crypto and Ethereum and all the opportunities that it brings. Thank you so much, Alexander.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. How was that?
Was
that
nice.
good?